Listen, I'm sick of alcohol. I'm sick of everything about it. I'm sick of the way that it's marketed, the lies that are pushed upon us. I'm sick of the celebrities endorsing it and trying to sell it to you. I'm sick of everything about alcohol. I'm sick of the way that it impacts millions of people's lives, and I'm sick of the way it was impacting my own life. And if you ask me, there's not a single drinker on the planet who has not muttered that phrase to themselves at some point in their life. Whether they drink a couple of drinks after a long day of work and that's it. Those same individuals at some point in their life will have looked at that drink and said, why am I doing this? Why do I keep drinking this crap? In fact, if there was a button that was invented that a drinker could press and then never drink again, never think about drinking, literally be born into a universe that didn't have alcohol, there will be a point in every single drinker's life where they would press that button. So that means that, are we really choosing to drink? Is that a real logical choice that we're making? Or is it nothing more than drug addiction that's pushed upon us by some of the most cunning and manipulative people in the world? And listen, I don't want to rant too much because I'm sick of it. You're sick of it. We're all sick of it. But you know what? That sickness is actually a good thing. It's not a bad thing. Pain and sickness and anger and hating this stuff, I mean, it's almost a necessary evil on this journey. See, if alcohol did nothing bad to us, only good things happen as a result of drinking, why would anybody question it? Why would anybody stop drinking it? But the reality is that nothing at all, not a single thing. I'm not talking about a small benefit here and there. Nothing good comes as a result of putting a highly addictive poison in your body. Nothing. But what we do is we drink that stuff and we lie to ourselves. We lie to ourselves again and again and again. It's not that bad. I like it. It helps me relax. But all these arguments and these rationalizations that we've built up in our mind disappear when we stop taking the drug. This idea that it helps us relax, this idea that it's good to socialize with, when we actually remove the drug and change our perception and put it behind of us, all the reasons why we thought we drank, we're able to deal with them perfectly fine. It makes no sense. And if you're also feeling that emotion, good. I know it sucks. I know it hurts, but it's going to help you. That feeling is going to help you. It's going to light that fire. It's going to keep you going. And it's going to make you start asking the most important question in your life. What is alcohol really doing for me? Now, I was blessed in a weird way that my relationship with alcohol was fast. It was acute. It was like the timeline compressed. I got sick of it so early on. There's people out there that will spend 20, 30, 40 years drinking and lying to themselves that it's okay. And then they get there 50, 60, 70 years of age and they go, what the heck just happened? My life's gone. And I've spent my whole life drinking this drug that did nothing for me. And this is what I want. I want you to be able to wake up before getting to that place. Listen, maybe you're older than me. Maybe you have gone on for 10, 20, 30, 40 years of drinking and now you're starting to question things. That's good. But you've got to get honest with yourself. You've got to start doing the introspection and really asking yourself, is alcohol doing anything for me? Because I promise you one thing. I will put my entire life on it, that alcohol does nothing for you at all. The reason why you're sick of it is because it does nothing but impact you negatively. But you know what? On the other side of that sickness, that pain, is the answer that you're looking for. Because I promise you that when you remove alcohol from your life, man, it's going to be the best thing that you've ever done. Listen, I'm not saying it's going to be easy. I'm not saying that you're going to be perfect. But one thing I'm saying is that if you are sick of drinking, you can change. You can change. You can do this. If you want my help, then click the link in the description. I've got a totally different method for you to get control of your drinking. We use first principles thinking, we have over a 90% success rate, and we use coaching to focus on the future instead of going to the past. If you want details on that, you can click the link in the description and book a call, and we can see if my method could be a good match for you. But listen, I know you can do this. You can change. It's never too late. Keep it going. Have a great day.